The existence of crime is a perplexing and often contentious issue that has puzzled societies throughout history. In this video clip, we will explore the reasons behind the existence of crime, using simple words to discuss this complex topic. Crime exists for various reasons, and understanding these reasons can provide valuable insights into ways to prevent and address criminal behavior. One prominent factor contributing to the existence of crime is socioeconomic inequality. When a significant gap exists between the rich and the poor, it can lead to desperation and frustration among disadvantaged individuals. Limited access to resources and opportunities can push some people towards criminal activities as a means of survival or to attain a better standard of living. Unemployment and poverty are also closely linked to the existence of crime. When individuals are unable to find employment or secure a stable income, they may resort to illegal activities as a way to sustain themselves or their families. The lack of opportunities and financial stability can erode a person's sense of hope and drive them towards criminal behavior. Furthermore, societal factors such as inadequate education, broken families, and substance abuse contribute to the prevalence of crime. Limited access to quality education can hinder personal development and limit opportunities for individuals, increasing the likelihood of engaging in illicit activities. Broken families, where there is a lack of stable parental guidance, emotional support, and positive role models, can leave individuals more vulnerable to criminal influences. Substance abuse, including drug addiction and excessive alcohol consumption, can impair judgment and contribute to impulsive and criminal behavior. The influence of peer pressure is another crucial factor behind the existence of crime. Individuals who associate themselves with delinquent peers are more likely to engage in criminal activities themselves. This influence is particularly strong during adolescence when young people are seeking acceptance and validation from their peers. The desire to fit in and be part of a group can lead individuals to make choices that go against the law. In addition to these societal factors, psychological and personal reasons can also contribute to criminal behavior. Some individuals may have personality traits that predispose them to criminal tendencies, such as impulsivity, aggression, or a lack of empathy. Mental health issues, such as depression, anxiety, or personality disorders, can also contribute to criminal behavior if left untreated or unsupported. It is important to note that the existence of crime is not solely determined by individual factors but is also influenced by systemic flaws within the criminal justice system. Inadequate access to legal representation, racial and socioeconomic biases, and overcrowded prisons can perpetuate cycles of crime, making it difficult for individuals to break free from criminal behavior patterns. In conclusion, the existence of crime is a multifaceted issue with various contributing factors. Socioeconomic inequality, unemployment, poverty, inadequate education, broken families, substance abuse, peer pressure, psychological factors, and systemic flaws within the criminal justice system all play a role. By addressing these underlying causes through social reforms, improving access to education and opportunities, providing mental health support, and promoting fair and unbiased justice systems, we can work towards reducing the prevalence of crime and creating safer and more equitable societies.